So hi guys, it is a holidays in Biafraland. So let's cut the papaya. Papaya is called it in Dutch, right? What is it called in Dutch? Papaya? No. It is called pawpaw in English. Papaya is like it's Dutch or what? So let's cut the papaya. My brother came back yesterday and purchased like a lot of pawpaws for us. And this particular tree now is getting shown. Okay, it is okay now to cut. I'm going to be cutting it with you. Yeah, the green one will stay until it is well ripe. So I'll be peeling this here. If you are watching me, I am a YouTuber and a mother of 4 living in Germany, but we came back to Biafraland, my home country. I'm actually in my house in Biafraland. It's my family. We all 6 came back to Biafraland for 2 weeks ago, and we have stayed like more than 2 weeks now in Biafraland. I'll be having a lot of visitors, my relatives, my mom, my siblings, all of them are coming to visit us guys. And today I said, let me just make a small video, some clips to show. I'm going to post when I'm back for you to see how I spend my holidays in Biafraland. And this pawpaw is one of the fruit I love most. I said whenever I am back, I'm going to eat a lot of pawpaw, a lot of papaya. What is it called in your country, your language? What is it called? It's called pawpaw in English and called papaya. Papaya is Dutch, right?
Papaya and pawpaw.
What is it called in Dutch?
Papaya.
Papaya, yes. Papaya is Dutch.
English, oh.
No, pawpaw is English. Pawpaw.
But English is not papaya.
Papaya is, I think it's a botanical name of pawpaw is papaya. Yes, guys, correct me in the comment section. You know, since I went to Dutchland, the English is a little bit flying away from my head. Yes, kind of confusion, you know. But my Igbo language is not going to get out from my mouth because I was grown with my Igbo dialect, mostly my dialect, guys. If you know the dialect I'm speaking, okay, let me speak some of my dialect. And if you know this dialect, you now also tell me in the comment section which Igbo people speak this. I don't know that people. I don't know. Oh, I na-akpọ ya unu na-ezi na obodo anyị, and mana ndị ụfọdụ na-akpọkwa ya pọpọ, but ihe ndị be anyị jiri mara ya bụ unu na-ezi. Maka ihe ga-akpọ ya unu na-ezi, ọ dịka ezi na-ara ya nnukwu, a na-akpọzi unu na-ezi. So ebechana m ofu, one is done, ka m bee nke ọzọ. So site asụsụ m, ọwụ na ị na-watch ihe m na-eme, anyị wuru onye Igbo pụte ebe m si, gwa m the part of Igbo land m siri pụta, ma ọwụ na ị na-anụ Igbo. So this particular papaya now, I don't know if this is also good because it have two ribs. Also fell off. Also fell off. I'm a man cock. This is man. I'm can kill red. It is red purple. The first one is yellow purple, and I think this second one is red purple. Cast unezin cast fell off. I'm now. I can know that the come my cantina honey, Kaima, my hand child, I come more get or oh, it's still strong. I think it's still okay. Okay. Kai question as so obodo English. Can the nina whom my old union where when any nine ka ha na-aghọtakwa n'ihe anyị na-eme. Gị na-ele onyonyo a biko saa tisaya Basaya Koltem Baninaka. I'm proud of Mwafo Biafraland. And I have a good Biafra because I'm not over Damon now. Biafra is my home country, it's my homeland. I love it. I love natural things I do receive from my Biafraland. I got no but English. I got no but the English. In case I use it purple, in Ghana or red purple. Okay, this red purple is very well ripe. It's very well ripe. You can see how it is. So guys, come and join me. Take your own purple, share it. Take and comment, share this video. I will be showing you a lot of things, videos I made in Biafraland. If you like to see more of this, all the videos I made in Biafraland, let me know in the comment section, and share this video so to reach many people. Okay, God bless you. I will test this papaya, this purple, the red and the yellow one, to tell you how it tasted before I will go back to cook. I'm cooking actually, but I decided to cut this papaya or this purple before I continue cooking. I will throw this once a year. I think this is not more good. Okay, if you don't know when we started, I said my brother, my immediate senior brother, brought this papaya when he's coming back yesterday. He dropped it for us because we weren't around. He dropped it, and now I'm going to I'm peeling it. I still have another 3 or 2 green one that is not ripe. So I have now peeled this. Let's test it, guys. Let's know whether it is good. It's tasty, guys. Very tasty. So let me test the red one. It's also good, guys. So to sell Ozia, this Ozia. This video I follow Banine. I'm the Nani. Just around me. Oh, Pama Bonana for Chikwado space. Chikwado space, the one and the only. I'm in my homeland, Biafraland. The Obodo Omochuku. Bye, love you.